Want better tasting veggies? We've got easy tricks to avoid common mistakes. Join us for a quick veggie boost with our guide, 10 Cooking Habits to Rethink for Veggie Health, and let's make your veggies delicious. Ever wonder if you're cooking your veggies the best way? We're about to jump into some cool kitchen secrets that'll make you see your veggies in a whole new light. Did you know there are simple mistakes we all make that can take away from our veggies' taste and healthiness? Let's get curious together and find out what they are. We'll explore tips and tricks to keep your veggies delicious and packed with goodness. Are you in for a fun veggie adventure? Let's start this journey and make your veggies the best they can be. Cooking vegetables is a fine art that balances preserving their taste, nutritional value, and visual appeal. However, common mistakes can lead to reduced health benefits. Here's an insightful exploration of 10 common missteps and how to avoid them. Overcooking. The art of cooking vegetables is delicate. Overcooking them is one of the gravest errors, stripping away their essential vitamins and minerals. Take broccoli as an example. Boiling it until it's mushy not only ruins its texture but also depletes its vitamin C and chlorophyll, crucial for its nutritional value. The key is to aim for al dente, cooked so it's just tender, retaining both the texture that makes eating a pleasure and the nutrients that make vegetables a vital part of our diet. Boiling in excessive water. It's a common mistake to drown vegetables in water during boiling. Vitamins such as C and B are water-soluble, meaning they dissolve into the water, which is typically thrown away. This method results in a significant nutrient loss. The trick is to use as little water as possible or, better yet, to steam vegetables. Steaming minimizes contact with water, keeping those precious vitamins intact. Not using the cooking water. If boiling is your method of choice, the water used can become a nutrient-rich broth, as it collects the vitamins that leach out. Instead of discarding this water, it can be ingeniously reused in soups, stews, or sauces, ensuring that no nutrients go to waste and adding an extra layer of flavor. Peeling vegetables unnecessarily. Many of us peel vegetables like potatoes and carrots without a second thought, not realizing that a significant amount of nutrients and fiber are concentrated in the skin. By thoroughly cleaning vegetables instead of peeling them, you retain their nutritional content and benefit from the added texture and flavor the skins provide. Frying at high temperatures. Cooking methods involving high temperatures, such as deep frying, not only diminish the nutrients but can also introduce harmful compounds into our food. Opting for cooking methods like baking, steaming, or stir-frying with a minimal amount of a healthy oil preserves the nutritional value and ensures a healthier meal. Using the wrong oils. Not all oils are created equal, especially when it comes to their smoke points. Using oils with a low smoke point at high temperatures can create unhealthy compounds. Select oils with a high smoke point, like avocado oil, to maintain the integrity of your food's nutrients and flavors under high heat. Cooking with too much salt. Salt can easily overpower the natural flavors of vegetables and contribute to health issues like high blood pressure. Embrace the use of herbs and spices to enhance the flavor of vegetables. This approach encourages a healthier diet and introduces a variety of flavors to your cooking. Relying solely on fresh vegetables. While fresh vegetables are often seen as the gold standard, their nutrient content can diminish over time, especially if they've traveled long distances or have been stored for a while. Frozen vegetables are a fantastic alternative, often flash frozen at their peak ripeness, locking in both nutrients and flavor, making them a convenient and healthy option. Cooking all vegetables the same way. Treating all vegetables as if they require the same cooking method is a mistake. Each vegetable has unique properties that benefit from different cooking techniques. Customize your cooking method, whether it's steaming, blanching, roasting, or grilling, to each type of vegetable to best preserve its nutrient profile and flavor. Ignoring acidic components. The addition of acidic elements like lemon juice or vinegar not only boosts flavor but can also enhance the bioavailability of certain nutrients, such as iron found in leafy greens. A final splash of acidity can elevate a dish, making it tastier and more nutritious. showcasing the depth and breadth of vegetable cooking. Cooking vegetables well is not just about sticking to recipes, it's really about getting to know the veggies themselves. Every type of vegetable has its own special nutrients and tastes that we can make better or worse depending on how we cook them. If we avoid mistakes like cooking them too much, peeling them when we don't need to, or using the wrong way to cook and instead use methods that keep their goodness and flavor, our food will taste a lot better. Wow, we've really covered a lot here, haven't we? From uncovering the secrets to keeping your veggies tasty and full of goodness, to learning about those easy fixes that can totally change the game. It's amazing how a little knowledge can turn your everyday veggies into something special. Now it's your turn to take these tips, try them out in your kitchen, and see the difference for yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment and mix things up. That's part of the fun. So go ahead, give your veggies the spotlight they deserve in your next meal. Keep cooking, keep exploring, and most of all, keep enjoying those delicious, nutrient-packed vegetables. Can't wait to see where your veggie adventures take you next. Happy cooking, everyone! We're excited to see what fantastic dishes you come up with. Share your culinary masterpieces with us by tagging us or using our hashtag. Your creations could inspire others on their veggie journey. Before you dash off to the kitchen, don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more kitchen hacks, recipes, and adventures in cooking. And tap the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Your support means we can keep bringing you the best in culinary exploration. Thanks for watching, and here's to making every meal a celebration of vegetables. Keep cooking, keep experimenting, and enjoy the delicious results. See you in the next video. Happy cooking, everyone!